so the brand new song Taste by Sabrina Carpenter. Okay, got a bit of a Jesse's Girl vibe to it. I really like this one. We're going to have a capo on the 3rd fret, and we're going to start with a bunch of power chords, which we're going to palm mute down this end. Okay, so I'm on the top set of strings, 3rd fret. We strum that once, mute the strings, over to fret 5, which we're going to do twice, down to fret 1. So that's... Okay, and then we throw a little lick in. We're going to go 3rd finger, fret number 5, which we're going to slide to number 7. And when you get there, repick it. Same finger's going to come back down to 5, and then finger 1 on fret number 3. Then as soon as you've done that, straight back into that first power chord. But this time, instead of 3 to 5, we're going to go 3 and then 3 underneath on a root 5. So we're going to have... Okay, so that's your 2nd set of power chords. Bit of a different lick this time. Okay, top string 1. 3rd finger, fret number 3 on the A string. Slide to 5. And then along to plate 7. Okay, that's your first 2 parts. 3rd part is the same as the 1st part, so... Okay, and then the 4th part, we've got the same power chords as part 2, so we've got your top set of strings, fret number 3, underneath, 1 on the top set. And the lick this time. Okay, top string 3 to 5 slide. Finger 1's going to pick up the A string, fret 3. Back to the top string, same slide but in reverse. 5 to 3, and then fret number 1. So once you've done the whole thing, you're going to kind of restart. We're going to do part 1 exactly the same. Then part 2 this time, we're going to get into this chord, a bit of a stretch. We're on fret 2 on your A string and fret 5 with your pinky on the D string. Same strumming as before, so we strum, mute, and then 2 strums. Then to that top set power chord, fret number 1. Right, so onto the chorus. We're going to have a bunch of easy chords here. We've got G, A minor, and then F sus2. I'll put the chord box up there if you're not sure about that one, but you can easily replace it with just a normal F chord, however you play F. Okay, we're going to have similar strumming to what we were doing with the power chords. So we're going to strum G once, A minor twice, and then onto your F sus2 chord just once. So we've got... Second time, start the same with a G. We replace A minor with a C chord this time. But then the F sus2 is the same. So all that's changed is A minor to C. So we've got G, C, F sus2. And then last little part, cool little lick at the end of the chorus that goes... Okay, so on your first string, your E string, we're on fret number 3. Up to the B string, hammer on from 0 to 1. And then same rhythm, but we're going to pick the first string open, and then your 3rd string, O2 hammer on. So... And that's the whole thing. Cheers for watching, and please subscribe to the channel, really helps me out. And let me know if you've got any song requests, and I'll see you next time.